In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize table columns in Microsoft PowerPoint. Resizing table columns is a simple but really important skill because it helps make your slides easier to read and much more professional. Maybe your text feels a bit cramped, or some columns are way too wide and wasting space. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to adjust those columns so your table looks clean and well organized. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and head to the slide that contains the table you want to adjust. If you haven't added a table yet, you can insert one from the Insert tab and choose Table. Then pick the number of rows and columns you need. Once your table is on the slide, click anywhere inside it to select it. This tells PowerPoint that you're working with table content and activates the table tools at the top. To resize a single column, move your mouse to the border on the right or left edge of that column, right between two column headings or cells. When you see the cursor change to a double-sided horizontal arrow, click and hold your mouse, then drag left to make the column narrower, or drag right to make it wider. Release the mouse when you're happy with the width. You'll see the text automatically reflow inside the cells, so take a moment to check that everything is still easy to read. If you want to resize multiple columns evenly, first click and drag across the cells to select the columns you want. Then go to the Layout tab under the Table Tools at the top of the screen. Here, look for the cell size group. You'll see a box labeled Column Width. Type in a specific width value, or use the arrows to adjust it gradually. All selected columns will change to that exact width, which is really helpful when you want everything to look consistent. Sometimes you might want PowerPoint to automatically fit the text. In that case, with the table selected, go back to the Layout tab and look for options like AutoFit. You can choose to AutoFit to Contents, which shrinks or expands columns to match the text, or AutoFit to Window, which stretches the table to use the full slide width. As you adjust your columns, keep an eye on the overall balance of the table on the slide. Make sure important information has enough space, and try to avoid very narrow columns that wrap every word onto a new line. Once you're satisfied, play your slideshow and preview the table in full screen mode to confirm that everything is clear and readable for your audience.